everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at an absolutely gorgeous 1968 Pontiac GTO. This is a rare car, and that is in a factory HO 360 horse car. I think they made 6,100 of these cars. Just an absolute sweetheart, guys. You have to get in this thing and drive it to appreciate it. 70,000 original miles. I bought this car from a local car guy that him and I have done business before on a couple cars. He's owned this car, I think he said 5 or 6 years. 5 or 6 years he's owned it. Bought it from a gentleman who owned it almost 40 years, who bought it from the original owner. So it's a 3-owner car. He said it was tough for him to sell this thing. He said it's probably one of the nicest driving old cars he's ever been in. And he's right, man. This thing hits the road outstanding. Very original car. This is the factory color combination. I really and truly believe this car's got most of the original paint still on it. I know it's had some paint work, but man, and again, you can pick the paint. As we walk around it, I'll show you some stuff, but still very, very nice. I mean, don't think it, he took it to car shows and everything like that. But like I say, as you walk around it, you can pick some things. You're going to be able to pick the paint. Couple stress marks in it, but look how nice that nose is. It's the original grille. This stuff's all original. Look how nice it is. Wait till you see how nice the interior is. I think this is a new front windshield. It's got all the factory soft gray glass in it. I mean, look how nice all this stuff is. Power rear antenna, it works. The AM radio's not working, but the rear antenna does work. He said these are the original bumpers. All original body panel. And again, don't think that the paint is stellar. It's nice. I mean, I don't think you're going to repaint the car, but you can pick at it a little bit. But man, what a good car. BF Goodrich Radial T is all the way around it. It's got the factory Rally 2 wheels. We do have all the PHS documentation for this car. I also took pictures of the VIN number on the trans and on the engine block. So it's all matching numbers. It's got the correct Rally 2s with the PMD caps and the correct lug nuts. I sold one of these, God, it's been a few years ago. You might remember that car. About the same kind of car, very original. Again, you can pick at the paint. It's nice. This is a great car. Again, matching numbers. 400, 360 horse car. It's got the correct intake, exhaust manifolds. You can see it's got the correct air cleaner and valve covers. Power steering, power brakes, drum brakes like it was from the factory. Obviously it's been gone through. It runs on pump gas, so they definitely did the hardened valve seats in the car. And it shifts out great. Clutch is good. I mean, one of those cars that goes down the road, doesn't rattle, I mean, doesn't shimmy, doesn't shake. Oh, you can open the doors, Dale, sorry. I'm a big fan of this car. Somebody's getting a sweetheart right here. And the only reason Brent was selling it, he was off to buy something else. He's a car guy. That's a, for him to have something for 5 and 6 years. Heck, he might own a car 6 months. He's on and off to him. This original, you can pick it in a little, but very nice. Original door handles. Look, this car is just sweet as can be. Look how nice the interior is. It's definitely the original carpet. I think those are the original sill plates. Factory bucket seats, center console. It's got the correct Hurst shifter with the right ball. Look how nice that car is. You can pick at the steering wheel a little bit there. You know? Look how nice the gauges are. 70,193. The clock doesn't work and the AM radio doesn't work. He said other than that, everything else worked on the car. Look how nice the dash is. Dual exhaust. It's 355 safety track rear axle. We do have all the PHS for the car, original owner's manual. I mean, just a killer car. Factory jacks, got a BFG spare. Everything opens and closes real nice. Car's clean underneath. Yeah, you want a little sweetheart, man. You're gonna love this car. And like I say, it's one of those cars you gotta drive to appreciate. Everything on this car is just beautiful. Seats are nice. This pops back on there, guys. It's just a little trim. I've had to have redone these seats, and they're just too nice. Look how, the gauges are nice and clean. It's just a pretty, pretty car. Same thing, pick at that 8-pillar trim a little. Door buzzer, you can hear when it works. Car just runs out awesome. Factory hood tach, it's got the factory rally dash. Again, all your gauges are functional, so good oil pressure. Parking brake works. I mean, like I say, other than the radio and the clock, I think you said everything else worked on. I know all the dash lights and all that stuff works. Give it a rev, Dale. Great car right there. Great sound. Blower motor works. Again, no on the radio. Wipers are functional. Oh, well, he turned it back on. They do work, yep. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our updated inventory. You can do that on our Facebook page, on our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. Getting tons of people emailing and calling. I'm looking for this car. We don't keep a list. We just get too many requests. I think I got 4 of them this morning. Sign up for our website. Sign up for our YouTube. Best way to keep track of us.